Hello, my name is Louise, and today I'm filming my Partners in Cream update for October. This project was created by Stefan Lin, and the idea is that you have 3 to 6 cream items, i.e. not powders, that you have goals on. I will link them down below and also put the rules. The project updates every 10th of the month. So I have 3 items that I have been working on. 2 of them for quite a long time, and one was added, was it last month? Yes, last month. So first we have the NYX Angel Food Cake. It has been in since I think the beginning. So my goal was to use it only 20 times. It took me so long, but the past month I have used it 7 times, and for the last update I had used it 15. So I have used it 22 times. Goal met, can roll out. Finally. And it's an especially strong finally because I have that one, as in that one. Then I have another one because my friend bought this one and decluttered it to me. I bought this one at the same time that she bought hers. And I also have a mini. So I needed to use it. I'm very proud of myself that I did. Then I have the Solkrem Ansikte, Swedish pharmacy brand. Yes, I cut it open. I said last time that I was like, I have 2 uses left. I had 5, but finished it. It took me in total 40 uses to finish what I had left, so very, very happy. Another goal met. The third and final product as of now is the Smashbox Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. I've been trying to smoosh it up here, but every time I smoosh, I'm not really sure what happens. Seems like I'm down here, which I feel like would make the most sense, I guess. Because if I close it and I try to fold it, I can get really far down. So I will mark it down there and then we'll see what happens. I have used it 12 times, pretty much my only base product at this point. Or not only, but this is the foundation / tinted moisturizer that I use exclusively. So, 2 products rolling out, and I feel like rolling in a few more. I just did a little declutter, which I'm not sure if I have uploaded this before this, but I picked out a few more things. So first I picked out the Charlotte's Magic Lip Oil Crystal Elixir from Charlotte Tilbury. It is a rollerball thing. I have used it a bit. It's okay. The product is fine, but the rollerball is a faff. It's super annoying because I want a lot to come out, you know? And it is very, very little. Very super unsatisfying. So my goal will be, I think, to use it maybe 15 times, as in 15 days. Because I have discussed this in previous videos. I don't know if I should count uses or days. Uses, I know I would be it would be hard for me to track during the day. I don't have the energy to pick up my phone and or have it on a marking pencil place. So I think just for now, 15 days of use. Then I swatched the Linda Hallberg Brown Core Crayon. I swatched it here. You can see. I think it's just that I hadn't sharpened it, but I am going to see if I can use it 10 times and we'll see what happens. If I don't like it after those 10 times, I'll throw it out. I also have another eye pencil. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Psychedelic Sister. I swatched it. Which one was it? I think it was that one. Oh my gosh, hold on. Let me point it better. That one? This is such bad TV. I do apologize. Let me see if I can swatch it for you. Yeah, it's also slightly dry, but I think it could be just that I haven't bothered to sharpen it. So it's that one here. It doesn't look that interesting to you, but it's a shifty purpley thing. I will also have a goal to use this one 10 times. See where we go. Then we have 2 more eyeshadow related things. First, the Morphe Eyelid Primer. I would like to finish this one. I will see how far I get. We are hold on. Okay, so I have marked it. I think we are somewhere here, if I have marked it correctly. Feels like it could be there. Yeah, goal to finish. And finally, the Suva Beauty Painted Elephant Hydro Cream Base. It is very pretty. I feel like when I do like this, it feels fine. It's very sticky. And let's swatch it here. You have to, I don't know if you can see that I'm pushing pretty hard. But yeah, I want to evaluate it. So I'm going to use it 5 times and see what I think of it. if it feels very like finicky or whatever, I will throw it out. So out of the 3 products I had in this project, 2 have rolled out, and I have rolled in 5 more. So yeah, I'll just see how I go. I feel like this is almost like some kind of shop my stash for my brain, because I realized going through my things that, oh, I really should do a shop my stash soon. So we're doing this first. But yeah, I will go wash my hands now. And yes, I was at work yesterday. It was a rough day. So take care of yourselves, wash your hands, be with people you like, whether that's just yourself or other people. And I will see you in a month when it comes to the Project Jersey and Cream update. Otherwise, I will see you when I see you. Bye!